In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get someone's attention with @mentions in Microsoft Outlook. When you're sending emails in a busy workplace or group conversation, it's easy for important messages to get overlooked. That's where the @mention feature in Microsoft Outlook becomes incredibly useful. It allows you to directly tag someone in your message so they're immediately notified and more likely to respond. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and either start a new email or reply to an existing conversation. Once you're in the message window, click into the body of the email where you want to include your message. As you begin typing, simply enter the symbol followed by the person's name. As you type, Outlook will automatically display a list of suggested contacts that match the name you entered. From this list, select the correct person you want to mention. Once selected, their name will be highlighted in your message, indicating that they've been successfully tagged. At the same time, Outlook will automatically add that person to the recipient list if they are not already included. This ensures they receive the email and are notified of the mention. It's a simple but powerful way to make sure your message reaches the right person without needing to manually add them. Using @mentions is especially helpful when you want to direct a question, assign a task, or highlight a specific part of your email for someone's attention. It keeps communication clear and avoids confusion in group emails where multiple people are involved. If you're part of a long email thread, mentions can also help bring focus back to a specific person without rewriting the entire message. It's a great way to keep conversations organized and efficient. Once you've finished writing your email and adding your mentions, review your message to ensure everything is clear. Then simply click the Send button to deliver your email. And that's it. You now know how to use @mentions in Microsoft Outlook to quickly grab someone's attention and improve your email communication. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.